Unlock a world of stunning AI art without spending a dime on Midjourney. While Midjourney primarily operates as a paid service, there are clever ways to access its incredible image generation capabilities for free, especially if you're just starting out or want to explore its potential without commitment. The most straightforward method involves looking for promotional free trials. Keep an eye on the official Midjourney website and their social media channels. They occasionally offer limited free access, allowing you to generate a set number of images and experience the platform firsthand. Beyond official trials, the vibrant Midjourney community, predominantly on Discord, can be your gateway. Many users share their generated prompts and creations, offering inspiration and sometimes even demonstrating how to achieve specific styles without needing your own paid subscription. Think of it as learning from the masters and seeing what's possible. You can observe incredibly diverse artistic styles, from photorealistic portraits to surreal dreamscapes, all generated by the AI. Engaging with these community spaces is key. You'll find helpful discussions, tutorials, and often users offering to run prompts for others if you have a specific idea you're eager to see visualized. It's about leveraging the collective knowledge and creativity of the Midjourney user base by understanding the types of prompts that yield impressive results. You can learn the language of AI art and even apply those learnings to other free AI art generators if Midjourney's direct access isn't available. So, while a direct, ongoing free subscription isn't the norm, by being an active and observant participant in the AI art community and staying aware of potential promotions, you can absolutely experience the magic of Midjourney's AI art generation without opening your wallet.